everyone. So today is the big day. We want to thank you everyone to participate in the third raffle that we are doing. So as you can see, here are all the numbers, 127 tickets were bought. And as you can see, we are not cheating. So are you guys ready for this? Let's do this. Let's announce the winner of this voucher. First week. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Who's gonna be the lucky winner? Let's do this. I'm gonna close my eyes so you guys can see I'm really not cheating. A little bit. Da-da-da. Are you guys ready? Let me see. Number 26. 26, guys. Congratulations, me, so Mr. 26. This is the voucher. Come pick up your voucher so you can start this amazing adventure at Lugar, Ceu.
Amigo, meu amigo, dog é meu amigo.
Meus vizinhos, do Abel Jafar.